Do you recall that time when Nokia held a dominant position in the mobile phone market? During its peak period, this industry contributed over 4% to Finland's gross domestic product, GDP, and possessed a market share of over 50% in the global mobile phone market. The ultimate failure of the endeavor can be attributed to a combination of issues, with a notable factor being the organization's lack of capacity to innovate and respond to the swiftly changing market dynamics. Honda appears to have internalized this cautionary story after a prolonged time of preparation. Indeed, it has shown a significant delay in the electric vehicle sector over an extended period of time. The Japanese automotive company is presently in the midst of building a novel division exclusively dedicated to electric vehicles. At the same time, they are making investments in dedicated EV factories, developing new models, and implementing a comprehensive restructuring of their organizational framework and manufacturing procedures. To a significant extent, Honda has declared its intention to achieve full sales of electric vehicles, comprising fuel cell electric vehicles, by the year 2040. Is this doable? Undoubtedly. However, the outcome can only be determined with the passage of time. The recent engagement of Honda in the electric vehicle market, along with its determined efforts to regain a competitive position, is a positive development for both the EV industry and Honda's dedicated customer base. Likewise, the heightened expectation around the forthcoming launch of the 2024 Honda Prologue, which represents the company's premier entry into the realm of completely electric sport utility vehicles, is undeniably enticing, as it will serve as a pivotal milestone in shaping the trajectory of the brand's electric mobility strategy. Despite the need for significant progress, it appears that the 2024 Honda Prologue SUV possesses substantial potential to propel the company into a lucrative era characterized by electrification. The saying "better late than never" suggests that it is preferable to complete a task or fulfill an obligation, even if it is delayed, rather than not doing it at all. The 2024 Honda Prologue is set to be built using General Motors' Ultium platform. Throughout the course of time, a notable event has been witnessed in the form of a mutually beneficial partnership between two major entities in the automobile industry, namely Honda and General Motors. Currently, these major players in the industry are positioned to enhance their collaboration through the collaborative creation of a substantial number of inexpensive electric vehicles. This includes the production of compact crossover EVs, which are in great demand, beginning in the year 2027. This collaborative business endeavor surpasses upcoming introduction of two upcoming electric vehicles, namely the Honda Prologue and an electric Acura SUV, specifically designed for the United States market. Currently, there exists a notable and well-founded enthusiasm surrounding the anticipated debut date of the 2024 Prologue, which marks Honda's maiden entry into the realm of electric sport utility vehicles. The 2024 Prologue SUV is equipped with the Ultium platform, a cutting-edge electric vehicle platform developed by GM. This platform is renowned for its advanced features and adaptability, making it one of the most sophisticated and adaptable EV platforms now accessible. Likewise, the Prologue SUV incorporates state-of-the-art battery technology, further enhancing its electric capabilities. These factors are expected to contribute to an expanded range, improved performance, and increased pricing, which are crucial elements for Honda's potential entry into and potential leadership within the electric vehicle industry. The spacious and technologically advanced interior of this vehicle is comparable to that of other powerful SUVs. The 2024 Honda Prologue exhibits notable dimensional resemblances to the Chevrolet Blazer EV as a result of its shared usage of the Ultium platform. As an example, it possesses the same 121.8-inch wheelbase as the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The Chevy Blazer EV showcases a visually striking and assertive exterior design, whilst the 2024 Prologue embraces a contemporary rough style, which is the result of the creative efforts of Honda's energetic team of young designers based in Los Angeles. In addition, the Prologue exhibits noteworthy dimensions in its measures, measuring 192 inches in length, 64.7 inches in height, and 78.3 inches in width. This grants the Prologue a significant size superiority when compared to the 2023 Honda CR-V, as the Prologue surpasses the CR-V by 10 inches in length, 3 inches in height, and 5 inches in width. Moreover, The expansive cabin has a generous capacity of 102.6 cubic feet, ensuring ample space for the occupants. The upcoming 5-seater electric SUV is anticipated to provide generous legroom for passengers. The load capacity of the Honda EV Prologue has not been officially disclosed by Honda at this time. However, it is plausible that the vehicle may possess a storage area behind the second row that surpasses 40 cubic feet, which is comparable to the 2023 Honda Passport of similar dimensions. Upon entering the all-electric Prologue SUV, individuals are immediately able to recognize and admire the nicely accomplished interior design, which prioritizes simplicity over flamboyance. However, the Honda Prologue EV has a notable complexity in terms of contemporary technologies. The interior of the Honda Prologue features a pair of digital displays, namely an 11-inch display dedicated to the instrument cluster, and an 11.3-inch display serving as the touchscreen infotainment hub. Additional features that can be selected to augment the overall user experience encompass a head-up display of 7 by 3 inches and a premium audio system manufactured by Bose, consisting of 12 speakers. Furthermore, the Prologue is set to become Honda's inaugural sport utility vehicle, SUV, to incorporate Google built-in, a feature that is anticipated to be universally included across all available versions. Considering the common platform utilized by the upcoming 2024 Honda Prologue all-electric SUV and the Chevy Blazer EV, it is plausible to anticipate a degree of component sharing between these two mid-size SUV models. While Honda has not yet disclosed the definitive specifications, there are rumors over the potential inclusion of single and dual motor variations in the forthcoming Prologue model. Now, it is natural to ask whether the Prologue will be offered in various drivetrain configurations, such as front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive, similar to the Blazer EV. The availability of an all-wheel drive type is not definitively confirmed, but there are indications suggesting its development, as hinted by a leaked image. Regarding the metric of horsepower, it is likely that Honda will adopt a more limited strategy with the Prologue, so reducing the likelihood of achieving parity with the powerful 557 horsepower offered by the Blazer EV's SS trim. Honda has not disclosed any information regarding the 2024 Prologue range, same to their approach with the powertrain details. Nevertheless, considering its utilization of the Ultium battery packs that are currently powering GM's latest electric vehicles, we can estimate a range of approximately 250 to 320 miles per charging cycle. It is known that there has been an obsession on potentially unreliable sources for information. Yet, it is indisputable that the next Prologue SUV, which operates solely on electric power, will incorporate a battery preconditioning functionality. This innovative breakthrough has the potential to decrease fast charging times by effectively managing the battery's temperature to attain the ideal condition prior to the electric vehicle's arrival at a DC fast charging station. This smart feature is certainly worthy your attention. The introduction of the 2024 Prologue by Honda signifies the company's ambitious entry into the electric vehicle market. Given this development, it is reasonable for automobile aficionados to experience a sense of anticipation and enthusiasm around its impending release. According to recent claims made by Honda, the official start of pre-sales for the highly anticipated electric SUV is scheduled in fall of 2023, with the aim of making it available for purchase in the winter of 2024. The Prologue will be offered in 4 appealing variations, namely LX, EX, EXL, and Touring. The specific pricing information for the Honda Prologue has not yet been made publicly available by the firm. Nevertheless, considering the influence of competition on electric vehicle pricing dynamics, it is anticipated that EVs would be priced in a manner that reflects competitiveness in the market. Given the initial cost of $44,995 for the Chevrolet Blazer EV, it is reasonable to speculate that the introductory price for the Prologue model would likely fall within the approximate range of $40,000 to $50,000. Is it anticipated that the 2024 Honda Prologue will have any charging incentives? Certainly. Each Prologue buyer is expected to choose one of 3 charging kits that are included in their vehicle purchase as part of the Honda Home Electrification Program, HHE. One potential choice entails an 11.5 kilowatt residential charging station, accompanied by a $100 credit for public charging, and an additional $500 subsidy for the installation of the aforementioned home charger. Consumers are provided with the option to purchase a portable charging kit with a power capacity of 7.6 kilowatt. Likewise, they are offered a $300 credit for public charging and $250 to cover the costs of installation. The third alternative entails a public billing credit amounting to $750. And so, what do you think of the 2024 Honda Prologue? Is it worth the wait? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.